Hello and welcome to our video on how to correctly fill out our steel inquiry form. It is important this form is filled out as accurate as possible. We use these details to calculate the correct type of paint and the amount you need for reaching your job specification. So listen closely and follow the steps in this video to complete the form with minimal mistakes. Firstly, start off by filling out your personal details and what your desired fire rating is. Now we will fill out the details of the steels that are going to be coated in intumescent paint. That includes the steel size, the orientation of the steel, and the number of sides exposed. Do this for every steel that needs coating. Alternatively, if you have a structural engineer's drawing, please attach that onto the form. The sides exposed is not every individual edge of the steel. It is easier to picture the steel as a square, therefore the most amount of possible sides visible at one time would be 4. If this causes confusion, please refer to the steel terminology document which is attached with this form. Then finishing that section by calculating the total length, which is all the total meterage of the steels you have put. Now fill out a description of the area of where the steel is going. For example, if the steel is internal or external, and if it's in somewhere such as a garage, warehouse, or even a bathroom. This is very important so we can spec the appropriate paint. Then in the following box include how the building is used, for example such as commercial or residential. Now refer to the chorus guide to fill out the next 2 boxes. If you are stuck on the chorus guide, do not hesitate to contact us on 01752 690997 or at sales@fireproofpaint.co.uk. This can be for any questions you may have. If the steel is to be left exposed to the elements, even if this is for a short amount of time, a top coat may be required to protect the steel. When applying intumescent paint, your steel must be primed. If your steel already has a coating, please fill out to the best of your ability of what primer you have. If there is not anything on the steel, we will spec a primer for you. If there is any primer on your steel, use a dry film thickness gauge to find the thickness of the coating. Please include name of manufacturer and/or its product name if you're able to. If you do not have a dry film thickness gauge, you can purchase them off our website www.fireproofpaint.co.uk. Also, if you are after a desired finish to your paint, many top coats can be tinted to a desired color. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact the team.